Hello everybody, this is pillartrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the euro versus the US dollar spot. What we are currently looking at is a weekly chart. You can see here we are trading 134.42s, and this is the trade that we've been waiting for. If you are a long-term or mid-term bear on the euro dollar pair, this is the opportunity that the bears have to knock this thing down in a major way. And you'll remember in the last 2 weeks we've been eyeing this level here, trading this week, and it has, opening up on a Monday, and this level has a target all the way down below our nearest support level, all the way down at 111.16. That is the target, from 134 to 111. So a enormous move setting up on the euro. Let's take a look at a daily chart so we can get a little bit closer to look and see exactly how we're going to play this, because we got this perfect bounce off of our next long support on the midterm chart. Again, on the daily chart, we were anticipating a bounce here. We saw it. We have since moved directly up past these double tops with relative ease and have seen covering up into the target up here is 137. So for this move to close out, 137 is going to have to trade. Now, we've seen an initial reaction at 135. We're going to go a little bit closer here down to the 15-minute. Just remember that these two levels, these larger levels, are out there. We go down to the 15-minute and see exactly how we're going to play this thing. What has set up is we've had an extension move that gave us support at 132.94. That's got a target directly on our line up here at 135.08. We trade up into that 134.94. We don't actually hit the target or the resistance line. People are front running this level, which means they're getting in earlier, hoping to get filled, afraid that they're going to miss the boat to the downside. So they're jumping on this early. Longs are taking profit early, anticipating that this level is out there and we're going to see major resistance there. So that's why people are jumping in on this thing very early. Now you can take this two ways. You can either take it that 134.94 is the highest we're going to get above, according to this move. That would mean we redraw the next move, which is going to be support at 133.89. So that move has a target just above. I'm not drawing that target because there is no proof yet that this trade right here from 132.96 is over. Okay, it hasn't technically hit its target yet, and we haven't hit that resistance area. We are just in front of it. So I'm going to leave that trade up there for the time being. There's two things you can do now. You either were eyeing this thing and front ran it. Okay, that was one of the options you had. The other thing, if you're not in on this downside trade yet on the euro, what you can do is wait for a breakdown of this level. Again, this is a huge trade. This is from 134 to 111s. If the bears on the long term are going to knock this thing down. So you're not going to miss the boat by not getting in from 134 to 133.50. Okay, that's not going to affect the overall trade here. What we need is a breakdown of the bullish trend on the short term. Right now, there is no breakdown. So the trade is continue to trade this thing up until we see a breakdown. Remember that on the daily chart, we are still eyeing targets up here. Okay, the larger trend, yes, does see resistance at this 135 level, but the midterm trend has got us trading right back up into it. So now we've got that battle between the midterm and the long term, the bulls and the bears. Exactly how this thing is going to play out, we don't know, but what we can do is set ourselves up to take advantage of this move should we get a breakdown. Okay, so no reason to panic if you are long from 126. Okay, this is no defining moment in the midterm trend yet. What we need first is the short-term trend on the 15-minute chart to break down. That hasn't happened. We will know as soon as we get a test of 133.89. If that level breaks, that's going to show a significant weakness in the bulls' chances to take this thing higher. So that is the play right now, guys. Be sure you know what's going on in a larger time frame, because there are some very large moves setting up, and this is the kind of stuff that makes your year, these big trades. So hopefully we can get in on it. Hopefully we can get some good levels today or tomorrow and play this thing out. If you've got any questions or comments about this video or any of the other videos that we do, stop by the website, www.pillartrading.com. Leave us a question, leave us a comment. We try to get to those as soon as we can. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend, and I will see you all in the next video.